right, this is really laws, but we'll say it anyway. The religious Jews was hopefully, every Jew is going to be this. It won't be called religious, it'll just be Jews. So Jews have what they call a talit, right? We have this garment here, right? Garment, and it has the tzitzis on it. Well, this is called a small talit katan, and this is worn next to the body. Next to the body. There's a lot of Hasidim that wear it on top. The reason that I wear mine on the top, even though it's not the custom of Chabad, is because when it's warm outside and I wear it next to my body, it makes me break out. So it has absolutely nothing to do with Hasidus or with Kabbalah or with a custom. It's not a Chabad custom, but nevertheless I do because I have to have some sort of a separation between my shirt. Okay, that's a personal thing. But in any case, that's what's called the small talit. The reason I said that is they shouldn't learn from me and say, Rabbi Bolton does it, and so I'm going to do it. On the other hand, if you do break out like I do, so then then you can. As soon as I put this on the outside, and everything's okay, no problem. So that's health hints also. Okay. Anyway, so here we go. The Jewish people, men, they put on what's called a small talit, and then they also have a big talit that they put on the outside, and that's sometimes called a prayer shawl. Prayer shawl, which introduces you to the word shawl, which nobody uses. So at least that brings that into the world. First, that's the big talit. Now, the big talit, when you put on the big talit, there's a special blessing that you make. On the small talit, there's also a blessing. But really, the blessing on the big talit also covers the small talit also. It covers the small talit. There's something, anyway, it's a different blessing. And the blessing that you make on the big talit is to wrap yourself with litatef b'tzitzis, to wrap yourself with tzitzis. Wrap yourself. Okay, so when you wrap yourself with the talit, so there's different customs about how you do it. In Chabad, you're supposed to hold the left side forward and you throw the right side over your shoulder. But it says also that the talit is supposed to come down and cover your face. So how far do you cover it over? So it says, well, cover your face. Just cover the whole thing. It says, no, it's not necessary to cover your face to your mouth. If you want to do it, you can, but that's not our custom. This is indicated in the laws of tzitzit. Our custom, it's not necessary to cover your head and face down to your mouth. You don't have to do it. So how much should you do it? Says our custom is to cover your eyes. Here with the upper part of the talit, you should pull it down over your eyes. That's our custom. Okay, during the days of Sfirat Omer, it's customary to study tractate Sota, because it's 49 pages, 1 page each day, in addition to your regular study lessons. Okay, now let's have a story.